What are the top supplements for leaky gut? There's so many supplements out there. You've seen them in the market, promoted for healing up leaky gut. But what are the best ones? Well, over the years, with thousands of patients, I have found that the right supplements can greatly accelerate leaky gut healing, alleviate symptoms like gas, bloating, abdominal pain. Also very effective for helping the whole body because we know gut health connects to the rest of the body. So in research on leaky gut syndrome, when you're having inflammation in the gut and then you're absorbing molecules that you shouldn't and they're getting across the small intestine layer, the epithelial layer, into the bloodstream, then that creates inflammatory reactions in different parts of the body. So it's very important we heal up leaky gut, and I want you to know what are the best supplements to use in combination with a healthy diet, proper exercise, stress reduction, and sleep. Because when you use the right supplements, I find that you can decrease the healing time by about 75%. You can accelerate healing of the gut by getting in the right nutrients. Now, fortunately, in our small intestine layers, we have the production of stem cells, and stem cells regenerate the cells of the small intestine where the absorption takes place. So if you give the right environment to the small intestine, within 2 to 3 days, you can have new intestinal cells. This is what published studies show, and I discuss it in my book, The Holistic Guide to Gut Health. But you've got to give the environment, you've got to give that layer the right nutrients because many nutrients are involved in healing the gut. But let's review the top 5 supplements so you can accelerate your gut healing. Supplement number 1, L-glutamine. This amino acid is the most available free-form amino acid in the body. Your muscles use it, but your small intestine uses it as well. And so studies show that glutamine plays a role in helping these small intestine cells turn over and regenerate. Normally, I recommend patients take 2,000 to 5,000 milligrams a day between a couple meals a day, and that's the dose you want for L-glutamine. Now, you do find it obviously in foods, your body does make it as well, but if you have leaky gut and we want to accelerate that healing, L-glutamine is very, very helpful. Supplement number 2, DGL licorice. DGL stands for deglycyrrhizinated licorice. And so this is an extract from licorice root, which if you look at traditional Chinese medicine, Asian medicine, European medicine, licorice root is used in a lot of formulas. It's anti-inflammatory, it's soothing, it's healing, it modulates the immune system. But the DGL form has a portion removed, the glycyrrhizin, which in high amounts may elevate blood pressure in some people. It's actually not that common, but we use the DGL form for a lot of people when we're using higher doses. Now, DGL has the special effect of improving circulation to the small intestine, but even more so, it helps to reestablish the natural mucus layer, the mucin layer of the small intestine. So this is a natural barrier to insult and injury. It creates healthy cells, and so healthy cells of the small intestine will mean you will have healthy absorption. So DGL is very effective, and I recommend people take 1 to 2 chewable tablets before each meal a day, or you can certainly get the powder form and take about 500 milligrams of the concentrated powder form between a couple meals or before a couple meals a day. So DGL is very safe, very effective. Supplement number 3, aloe vera. Maybe you've seen aloe vera juice in the health food stores, and food grade aloe vera juice can be very effective in terms of having an anti-inflammatory effect on the lining of the intestines. With my patients, normally I use it in supplement form. I use it in powder form and people just mix it in water. But aloe vera has been shown in published studies to help control symptoms for irritable bowel syndrome. We know it has good anti-inflammatory effects, so it is one of the top 3 supplements to use. Supplement number 4, quercetin. Now, quercetin is a great natural antihistamine, and we have a lot of concentration of cells in the gut, including the small intestine, where histamine can be released. So until you heal up leaky gut, a lot of people are releasing excessive amounts of histamine, which causes digestive pain, discomfort, symptoms, cramping. And so quercetin naturally acts as a natural antihistamine. It helps to basically reduce the activity of the histamine being released by the certain cells in the small intestine lining. So quercetin, usually at doses of about 100 to 500 milligrams a day, is very effective for gut health. Supplement number 5, digestive enzymes. Full spectrum digestive enzymes that break down proteins, fats, carbohydrates, gluten, lactose, sucrose, a bunch of different compounds that we're exposed to in the diet is very effective. Now, what digestive enzymes will do is you'll break your food down better and you're not irritating then the small intestine lining as can happen with undigested food. So as you're breaking the food down better, it's not going to irritate the small intestine lining. You're getting better absorption. And as you get better absorption, you're going to absorb more nutrients into the body, and that promotes overall body healing. Well, these are the top 5 supplements for people trying to heal up leaky gut syndrome. They greatly accelerate your healing. They'll reduce the time to getting better by about 75%, in my opinion. I hope you found this video helpful. You can look for other videos on leaky gut syndrome on my YouTube channel.